Oh, he's getting it now.
Hey everyone, welcome to Heavy Metal Customs. Out here today with Casey.
Hello.
We're back to work on the 78 Dodge Warlock, and just trying to button up a bunch of little things is the goal for this week, because we are working on putting on the highly fuel injection, but we've got to get some more lines and stuff. That will be in a separate video for y'all to see that whole install. But for today, what are you working on right now, Case?
Speakers.
Speakers. He's going to be putting the speakers in the doors. Let me show you what he's got and how he's going to accomplish that. All right, you've already got the wires ran, right?
Not on this thing, but the other side, yes.
Okay. Well, you still got to run some wiring. I have some of these Kenwoods here, 5-inch door speakers. I think they sound pretty good. And what we've done is we went ahead and measured it out. This will be the center, and then this will be the outer. We got the Roto zip tool with the handy dandy circle cutter on it. So see if this thing works, guys. I've never used one of them.
I haven't either, but good time to learn. Ba-ba-ba-bum.
Alright guys, Casey got that stereo all wired in, the electric antenna's in, everything functions as it should. We got to wait to put the dash in, we got to get some of them light fixtures for it. So, we're still waiting on our fuel line, so I'm going to go ahead and get the exhaust done on this thing, because we've got to get the oxygen sensor in it for the fuel injection. And of course on exhaust I always say start on the hardest side. Well, the driver's side is the hardest. As y'all can see, you have the starter wire, and you have the distribution block here for your brakes. So getting down through there is quite the pain. Let me show you how I do it. As you see, I just made me a short piece of flared pipe, and I got it bolted up on there. Then, I just took this piece of pipe here, and that is a 80 degrees. Now once this is put up there, it misses everything, comes over the top right through here, and then we'll stop right in here. And we'll do this other side the same way as far as stopping it here, and then from here back we'll do 2.5. But I just want to show y'all that there, and I'll show you once I get it welded up and get the oxygen sensor and everything in it, how much clearance we have. Alright guys, I finally got that. You can see the oxygen sensor up there, got that in, got that bolted up, and y'all can see how close everything is on that. These are just hard to do. What I've done, I brought it out to here, and this side of course is very easy. Give it on really nice. And yes, there is an extra oxygen sensor bung in there in case we need it for a future project. Alright, now let's go ahead and do our 2.5 the rest of the way. Alright guys, I made it back here to the rear end. All I'm lacking is a tailpipe, so I may get them in the morning. I'm just out of time for this week. I'll let you see what we got here. Like I say, we changed to 2.5. I did not do that for flow properties. I done it for sound. The bigger pipe will make it a little deeper and tone it down some, coming out of that 2-inch front. You see we got some hangers right there, individuals, nice and welded. All of our welds turned out pretty good. Yeah, got a little hanger here as well because of that twist. When this thing comes over, it may want to bow a little bit. Extra hanger never hurts nothing. But yeah, not bad. We got a lot of cool stuff done this week. Well, like I say, that's all the time we have for this week, so we're going to wrap it up. Say, we did get a lot accomplished. I don't remember if I told y'all we got the radio done and all of that working, the power antenna and all. Come here. And look who's here. The bullet. Yeah, what you got on you, boy? He's been out in the woods playing. But for those of y'all that always ask about Bullet, he's doing fine. He's really fitting in. And he's actually starting to calm down and behave. So we got a plus on that, don't we, boy? Good dog. All right. Well, everyone, appreciate you watching. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep an eye out for the next one. And also keep an eye out for the Holly FI install that we're currently doing on another video. If y'all would, throw me down some comments. And please, like, share, and subscribe. Appreciate it much. Till next one, I hope that everyone has a fantastic day. Tell everybody bye. Bye.